In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to Miro. By the end, you'll have the official integration connected so you can bring your meetings and boards together without juggling tabs. Start by opening your browser and heading to Miro.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account and land on your Miro dashboard. This is where all your boards and teams live. Having a stable internet connection and allowing pop-ups for Miro will make the next step smoother. Look to the top right of the dashboard and click your profile icon. It's the small avatar or initial circle. In the menu that appears, choose Miro Marketplace. This is the central place to find and manage apps and integrations that work with your workspace. If you don't see Marketplace right away, make sure you're in the correct team or workspace since permissions and available apps can vary. Inside the Marketplace, find the Google Workspace section. Click Explore Apps under that category. This filters the catalog to show Google-related integrations so you don't have to search through everything manually. Now locate the listing called Miro for Google Calendar and click it. This is the official app that connects your Miro boards with your calendar events, letting you attach boards to meetings and quickly jump into collaboration when it's time. On the app page, click Connect. A Google window may open asking you to choose an account and review permissions. Select the Google account associated with the calendar you use for work, then confirm. Granting access allows the integration to read your events and add Miro content where you choose. If a pop-up blocker stops this window, temporarily allow pop-ups and try Connect again. Once you've authorized Google, return to the app page and click Install. This completes the setup inside Miro and makes the integration available in your workspace. Depending on your organization's settings, you might see a quick confirmation that the app is installed, or you may be prompted to proceed for your specific team. If you're prompted for admin approval and don't have it, reach out to your workspace admin to enable the app. That's it. With the app connected and installed, you can attach Miro boards to calendar events and seamlessly open the right board when a meeting starts. If something doesn't look right, refresh your Miro tab, double check that you're signed into the correct Google account, and verify that you're in the intended Miro team. You're now set up to keep your meetings organized and your collaboration just a click away.